Oh, it's a really big nest. I shush you, Nanny. Wow, it's a beady eyes. Beady eyes? Oh, it's the whiskers. Whiskers and a long, scary tail. Can think of it. I love lay eggs in peace. I don't think rats lay eggs. Rats! Ah! A rat! Ah! You come rats! Get the rat out of Yes, shoot, shoot, get out here, you filthy rat! No, you're not going to leave. He's a bird. Leave my bird. See? Read it. Yes, soon, nine. And three, weapons. Oh my god! Now, oh my god! Now, get the rat out of my castle. Name pump, you freaking rat. Tell me to leave. Please. And what rat please? Leave it. What the please? Hmm. Oh. Oh yes. Get out of my kitchen. Oh, Nanny, you heard the rat swearing. I can regret that. What the? Nanny, I got a woodpecker. A woodpecker? A really big woodpecker.